Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I want to show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your Samsung Galaxy A56 and Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, first thing first, open your settings menu and then go to device care. You click it. Next, you open memory. Okay, next you can scroll down and you can see RAM plus menu. You click it. Yep, you can see RAM plus uses your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. Choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. Choose less virtual memory to keep more storage space free. Okay, after that, you click enable like this. And you can add virtual RAM on your device until 8 GB. Choose 8 GB. Click OK. Okay, to turn on RAM plus, your phone needs to restart. Click restart. Yep, wait a minute. Your phone already turned on. Okay, I wanna check my virtual RAM. Open the settings menu and then go to device care and tap on memory. And yeah, you can see my RAM plus is 8 GB. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.